first, these new warnings about the Omicron variant. The number of cases increased 7 times in the U.S. over the last week. At least 35 states and Washington, D.C. now reporting confirmed cases of Omicron.
The U.S. now averaging 116,000 new cases per day. That's up 48% over the past month. And 67,000 patients hospitalized for COVID. That's up by 21,000 a month ago. Let's go to Trevor Ault with more. He's at Cornell University in Ithaca, New York, which is in the middle of an outbreak. Good morning, Trevor.
Good morning, Robin. This is as close as we can get to Cornell this morning. Visitors are not allowed inside here. They've shut the campus down. All activities are canceled, and all of their finals have been moved online because of a rampant COVID-19 outbreak that school officials say is largely driven by the Omicron variant. And now health officials around the world are really concerned that situations just like this could now be happening often and everywhere. This morning, the Omicron variant already taking hold in the U.S. and around the globe, prompting this stark warning from the World Health Organization.
Omicron is spreading at a rate we have not seen with any previous variant.
The WHO cautioning even if this variant is more mild than Delta or other previous strains, the sheer volume of cases could overwhelm healthcare systems. Just in the past week, Omicron infections in the U.S. have increased 7-fold. The CDC now meeting to discuss possible scenarios in which the new variant can spread. And Dr. Anthony Fauci telling CNN the booster will help as Omicron certainly becomes the dominant strain in the U.S.
The vaccines that we use, the regular 2-dose mRNA, don't do very well against infection itself.
Potential Omicron outbreaks are already bubbling up. Cornell University entering a level red alert, shutting down its campus, moving all finals online after this week more than 900 students tested positive for COVID, with university officials saying a very high percentage are Omicron cases. And other COVID outbreaks are impacting the sports world. Dozens of athletes from the NBA, NHL, and NFL getting infected. 13 players on the Los Angeles Rams added to the COVID list in just the past 3 days.
We're in intensive protocols. This has definitely been the most uniquely challenging situation we've dealt with COVID over the last 2 years.
In just an hour before tip-off, Brooklyn Nets star James Harden placed in COVID protocols, the 7th Net to do so during the past 2 days. And this morning, America now surpassing 800,000 lives lost to the virus, as hospital admissions have risen more than 14% in the past week, and pediatric admissions are up nearly 24%.
This is why it's so important for those kids that are eligible to finally get vaccinated. The vaccine currently still is our best weapon to preventing spread among our kids and really across the community.
And we hit that awful milestone of 800,000 COVID-19 deaths almost exactly a year from when the first vaccine dose was administered here in the U.S. And now President Biden is calling on Americans to honor these lives lost by continuing to act, getting the vaccine, now getting your boosters, and continuing to mask up with this new variant.
Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.